Bollywood actresses who have hottest legs. Priyanka Chopra. Priyanka Chopra has one of the beautiful legs of Bollywood. Many actresses are jealous of her well-toned shape and thunder thighs. Alia Bhatt. Being chubby, Alia really worked very hard to get her hot legs. This actress is in strict vegetarian diet to maintain her perfect size. Deepika Padukone. Deepika Padukone is always in a perfect body and a pair of toned legs. Her continuous effort in gym and strict diet helps her to get stunning legs. Shraddha Kapoor. Who doesn't love Shraddha's bikini shoot? All the credit goes to her long beautiful legs and amazing thighs. Kareena Kapoor. Kareena Kapoor has one of the sexiest legs in Bollywood as she works out extremely hard to get back to her shape after pregnancy. Kareena always says that she is in love with her body and can really work hard to maintain her shining thighs and legs. Malaika Arora. Malaika Arora is always in the news, not for her acting but for her hottest figure and her stunning legs. Sara Ali Khan. Sara Ali Khan has the most shocking transformation in Bollywood as she got her perfect shape and white long legs. Fluffy Sara's effort really did some magic in Bollywood, and it seems she will rule in Bollywood with her flawless body and well-toned legs. Disha Patani. Her amazing long legs really look beautiful in any bold photo shoot. She has already become popular face for her well-maintained figure. Katrina Kaif. No wonder Katrina is one of the hottest actresses in Bollywood and her legs plays a vital role for it. Whether it is bikini shoot or any dress, she can easily flaunt her curves and toned beautiful legs. Shilpa Shetty. Fitness freak Shilpa has maintained a perfect bikini thighs and legs. We cannot ignore her as she is totally flawless. Kriti Sanon. Kriti got her perfect white long legs by nothing but working out and kickboxing. Yes, you have heard it right. The hidden secret of her hot legs is nothing but hitting gym and her healthy food habits. Anushka Sharma. Anushka is obsessed with cosmetic beauty, but she really works too hard to maintain her own body and as well as her sizzling legs. Kiara Advani. Not just her acting, her body and long legs has caught everyone's eyes in Bollywood. To keep her perfect body weight matching with her legs, Kiara is now in a vegan diet. Aishwarya Rai. Is there any doubt that Aishwarya has maintained her well-toned figure? She has got the perfect thigh for her perfect figure to show. Parineeti Chopra. Overweight Parineeti never took any shortcut to have her toned body, and now her hottest legs attracts everyone. Sonam Kapoor. Fat to fit Sonam has kept her sexy legs intact. Her name is in one of the top actresses who have sexy legs in Bollywood. Jacqueline Fernandez. There is no doubt that Jacqueline can beat any other actress in Bollywood for her sexy curves and her slim, well-toned pair of legs. Jacqueline confessed that she just loves her legs as she can't resist herself to show it off. Bipasha Basu. Bipasha is still one of those actresses who just loves to work out and maintaining her body statistics. Her hot legs makes her more appealing and hot.